Hi, it's Ray Edwards, and I want to talk to you a little bit about AI and copywriting. Now look, I know computers are faster at writing copy than any human being could possibly be. But writing copy is not all about speed. It's also about accuracy. And the accuracy I'm talking about is emotional accuracy. You've got to connect with your reader. My first thought on the GPT stuff was, this thing is really fast and the copy is okay. But okay doesn't cut it for my company nor my copywriters. Our copy has to connect with our readers emotionally. This thing needed to be trained to think like a copywriter, to think like me. What was needed was a way to get my framework and my copywriting brain into GPT. And now that has been done. The speed of a computer plus the accuracy of a copywriting pro, me, all wrapped up inside ClarityScribe. This software was created specifically to write powerful, effective copy. Not to be a natural language predictive model or any of the other thousands of great things AI is being used for, but to write effective copy that converts. It's affordable, it's fast, and it writes copy that converts. See for yourself by getting in on the Founders Deal special rate. It's a no-brainer. Check it out for yourself, and you'll see what I mean. I'll see you inside ClarityScribe.